Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at the Lynnwood City Center Link Light Rail grand opening, so we're checking it out. Let's go check it out, see what we can get into. So in celebration of the Lynnwood Light Rail extension opening up, they had this cool little night market from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. tonight. It wasn't bad. Went and checked it out. Biggest thing here is they finally extended the light rail to the city center here in downtown Lynnwood. So right off of 200th Street, you have this big parking garage, and then also the light rail and the bus stations. So kind of a central hub for a lot of people. They're expecting this to be used by a lot of riders, so it'll be cool to see how this plays out. But we came into the night market area first, which is what this was. They had a little area showing the construction and the plan and the phases of what's going to come next for this entire development. Looks like they got quite a bit planned. I know they're still behind and they got more they got to do. I guess they pushed back some of the stuff just because of finances and the cost of everything for real estate going up. But still, this is a big move for us here in the Lynnwood area, so it'll be exciting to see how this comes along. And went ahead and checked out the night market, and then made my way up onto the platform and checked everything out. So let you guys see what it looks like just hanging out around the area. Not really going to be doing much talking in this one. This was more just showing you what it looked like. So let's get into it. Oh, sorry. Careful, Lily, come on. Hey. They got the bounce house over here, babe.
Okay, come on.
This place is packed. There's a lot of stuff here. guess.
I'll get in line.
You're gonna stay here. I'm gonna walk down and see what else there is. Okay.
I had a popsicle. Buddy.
The service is for
Number 44. 44.
Huh?
We'll find a coffee shop here if you want.
Hey. What are the hours? I
wonder, like, I don't know if that's any color or like.
So we'll be able to give you like, it's kind of like a host for everybody.
Doggy bed.
That way.
That way? Okay, thank you.
See something suspicious? Please report it to Sound Transit Security. Call or text 206-398-5268.
This is the next train to depart.
One line to Lynnwood City Center by northbound platform in 2 minutes.
Which way is it coming?
See something suspicious? 206-398-5268.
One stop? Where's my one stop, right?
Yeah, and that's how it goes in 30.
Including a cookie dough ice cream place, which would be really nice this time of day when it's so hot. So I encourage you to go down to the floor food trucks if you're looking for food and go on the deal with the lines.
If you're going to the night market, go ahead, go to your right and go around.
Thank you. Thank you.
Actually have a full-on night market all set up for this event. Tons of food everywhere. Stuff everywhere. That's gonna done it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it today at the night market here for the Lynnwood Light Rail grand opening. Pretty cool. Until next time, keep exploring. We'll talk soon. Take care.